Is CherishThese.com truly a heartfelt place to shop for personalized jewelry and sentimental keepsakes, or is it just another emotionally manipulative store designed to tug at your heartstrings while emptying your wallet? In this video, we uncover the full story behind Cherish These Jewelry, an online store that promises to help you cherish the little moments through custom-made gifts, name necklaces, and memory-themed items that seem perfect for anniversaries, birthdays, and meaningful milestones. At first glance, the website looks polished and emotionally compelling, with warm tones, loving product descriptions, and plenty of social proof. But does that mean it's legit? We dug into the details, starting with the WA domain data, and found that the site was registered fairly recently, which raises questions about its track record. While the site boasts glowing testimonials and a clean design, we spotted several red flags, including vague contact information, no clear information about the company behind the brand, and suspiciously generic social media links that don't always lead to real community engagement. Some customers have reported receiving their orders and were happy with the packaging and design, but others shared stories of delayed deliveries, customer service that went silent after payment, and items that didn't match what was advertised. Their return and refund policies also lack clarity, which could leave you stuck if something goes wrong. Social media presence exists, but activity is low and interaction minimal, which makes it feel more like a storefront than a brand with real roots. So what's the final word? Cherish These isn't a guaranteed scam, but it's definitely not a store you should trust blindly. There are just enough positive signs to make it tempting, but also enough red flags to warrant serious caution. If you're considering buying from CherishThese.com, make sure you watch this full review first so you can shop smarter and avoid potential disappointment.